Construction 11.3, page number 220. To construct a tangent to a circle from a point outside it. So let us draw a circle first. From here, one circle you have to draw. In the question it will be given you have to draw the circle of radius 2 centimeter, 5 centimeter, like that. So here one rough figure we are drawing, a circle we have drawn. So center we already marked here. Center is here. This one is center. So you have to draw a tangent outside that circle, from the point outside that circle. So that distance also will be given. So let us take that distance is equal to here 7 centimeter. Okay, 7 centimeter distance we took. From this point you have to draw the tangent. Okay, so for that what you have to do is first draw the bisector of the 7 centimeter. So more than half of that one you have to take. Draw the arcs on both sides. So you will get the bisector. So let us draw that one. So we have drawn the bisector. Now take that point. So you can mark that one. This is the center. So you can mark that one O and M here at the midpoint of this line segment. Now you have to take OM as radius. OM as radius. Okay, and M as the center. Draw a circle like this. Draw a circle. So that circle will touch that O and this end of the line. Now see, that circle will touch the first circle at 2 points. Now what you have to do is join that 2 points on the circle to this point. So this is the tangent required. So let us mark this one P. So PQ and PR is the tangent required. So how we have drawn this one? First a circle we have drawn. So it will be given, you are asked to find draw a circle of 5 centimeter, whatever it is. So draw that one. From that center, mark the center first. From the center, how much centimeter away from the center some point will be given. So that join that point. Then draw the midpoint of that one, perpendicular bisector you draw. Take OM as radius. Complete the circle. That circle will come touch this one, that given circle in P, R and Q. Join PR and PQ. So steps of construction is already given in the textbook. So I am not dictating that one. Now 11.1, first one. Draw a circle of radius 6 centimeter from a point 10 centimeter away from its center construct a pair of tangent to the circle and measure their lengths. So first you have to draw a circle of radius 6 centimeter. So let us draw that one. Centimeter, you have to take in the scale, the compass. So first mark the center, so I mark that one black. So draw that one. Center I mark with a dot. So let us write that center C or O you can give. Now it is given 10 centimeter away from center. So I am drawing here because otherwise here we cannot draw. So 10 centimeter away from that one. So this is 10 centimeter. So mark that point P. Okay. From this point you are to draw the circle. So first construct the bisectors. So these are the bisectors you are getting. Perpendicular bisector, more than half of 10 you have to take. Sorry, it is not clearly done. Now with that perpendicular bisector with O as O, let us mark that point as M, OM as the radius. Draw the circle touching the first circle at 2 points Q and R. Now draw that points to P, so PQ and PR are the radius, tangents. Now measure that one, that both will be same, that is here 8 you are getting, here also 8 you are getting. From same point you are drawing, so you will get the same distance, that is same length it will be. Okay, so how we have drawn? First we have constructed a circle of 6 centimeter, then from the center 10 centimeter you have to take, then construct its bisector, perpendicular bisector, mark that as M, then take M as center and OM as radius, draw a circle that touching that given circle at R and Q, join that one. So the same way in the steps of construction is given there, otherwise whatever I told you that you can write that. First draw a circle of radius 6 centimeter from the center. Second step is from the center mark, take 10 centimeter, then mark that P, then draw the perpendicular bisector of OP, mark that M, then take M as center and OM as radius, draw the circle touching that one as R and Q, join PQ and PR. This much you have to write. If the steps of construction is asked, then only you have to write that one. Now second one, construct a tangent to a circle of radius 4 centimeter from a point on the concentric circle of radius 6 centimeter and measure its length. Now first circle you have to draw concentric circle. We know that which one is concentric circle, no? So circles with the same center. So you have to draw two circles with same center. One is 4 centimeter. The other one will be 6 centimeter. So let us draw that one. Here itself, here in this one, I think you can draw. So mark first center. This one I am taking as center. Then 4 centimeter let me take. Then okay, so little bit bigger one you have to draw. So let us change that center to this one. So 4 centimeter. So O is the center. This one I am taking as center. Now 6 centimeter with the same center, 6 centimeter. Another circle also you have to draw. Okay, so concentric circles it came with same center. One is 4 centimeter, the other one is 6 centimeter. Now your question is, from a point on the concentric circle of radius 6 centimeter, you have to draw a tangent. One tangent only you have to draw and verify the measurement of by actual calculation. Now let us take any point on that second circle, bigger circle. So let us take here P. Okay, P is a point on this one. So now let us join that point. Or straight one, if you want that also you can take. Okay, let us take straight one. This is the point P we are taking. Now from P you have to construct the tangent. So OP, more than half of OP you take, draw the perpendicular bisector. More than half of OP. Now join that one. Now let us mark that point as M. Now OM, take OM as radius. Take OM as radius. Then draw the circle. So see, when you are drawing the circle, if you have drawn the correct midpoint, that circle will touch both O and P. Both O and P. Otherwise, it will not touch. See, your marks will go if the circle is not touching both the points. So these points you have to note. Okay. Now see, it is touching at 2 points. You have to draw only one tangent. You can draw either here or here. So I am drawing in the upwards direction. So PQ is the required tangent. So how will you draw that one? Step of construction. First, with center O, construct a circle of radius 4 and 6. One step. First one. What will write? With center O, construct two circles of radius 4 and 6. Now take a point P on the bigger circle. join OP. Then draw the perpendicular bisector of OP. Mark it M. Then take OM as radius and M as the center. Draw a circle touching the smaller circle at 2 points. Mark one of the point as Q. Join PQ is the required tangent. So this much you have to write. Okay. So steps of construction, whatever I told just now, you have to write 1, 2, 3 like that. In your own words you can write whatever you are drawing. The same thing you have to write. Nothing more, nothing less. Now 3 more constructions you have to learn, 3, 4 and 5. So that we'll discuss in tomorrow's video. So that will be over. 6 and 7 you don't have to learn. So 3, 4, 5. 3 questions are remaining.